Next up is the effective communication folder, where you will take the effective communication quiz. Spoiler alert, this is not that difficult. Click on the folder. Here's the quiz, but you're not ready to take it yet because you'll have wanted to have read chapter 1 and completed the reading quiz, not reading check. So the quiz questions are based on the following materials. This video that talks about email etiquette. This link that talks about tips on how to communicate with your professor properly. A file, how to write an email to your teacher. It's just another article. A video on how to email your teacher. There you go. 2 videos and 2 articles. So once you view all those, you will take the effective communication quiz by clicking on the quiz link. Make sure you read the description instructions. So this is about how to properly communicate with instructors while in college, both online and in person. Once you start this quiz, once you hit begin, you may not go back. And so you have to finish it once you start it. It says you cannot go back after you answer a question, but you do have unlimited time on this quiz. So there you go. That is due on September the 13th, 1 week from today at 11:59 p.m.